What's up, guys? So today we are turning into Ice Spice, and Allie Pearl sent us over this ginger wig so that we can turn into the baddie, like the baddest little orange little ginger little teen. So they sent over a wig. This is the 22-inch straight hair in 150% density. Okay, let's take her out. Ooh. Oh my god, what do you guys think about me turning into Ice Spice? Let's get into the wig details. I'm gonna take this net right on off so we can see the hair more. So this is how the unit comes. I mean, super silky, running my fingers right through it. It's nice and light. I love that. Ooh. The knots look very, very good on this unit. So it's gonna lay real good. And it is a lace frontal. As you guys can see, this is the parting room. You see we can do the left part, right part, middle part. And boom. Your girl's gonna have to change her outfit for this ginger baddie that she's transforming into. How could I forget? You know, we always get some goodies sent over in our bag as well. So when I get it all out and pull it out, we have a Allie Grace band for our edges. You know, we have to use this to tie our edges down at the end of the night. Every single night, or if you're getting in the shower or whatever, we want our baby hairs to last. And then they have an instruction card for Allie Grace with some info on top, how to wash your units and stuff. And this is the first time that I'm being sent an actual bonnet. So Allie Grace has an actual bonnet. It's a satin bonnet and it's pink on the inside. So the outside has the blue Allie Grace, and that's really nice. So this is definitely how I would sleep at nighttime, with my edges, you know, wrapped up and my bonnet on. Alright guys, so I'm about to get the glow experience. I have my wig cap on, about to melt her down and really turn into Ice Spice. So thank you, Allie Grace, for sending over our Ice Spice unit. I can't wait to, she's a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friends. Okay, so we're about to get into this meltdown. Let's go.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is smile down. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get to take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
We are now Ice Spice Orange, you guys. She's a baddie, she knows she's a 10. Ew. Alright guys, so I switched back to my blue outfit, and you guys, I was kind of nervous thinking that the blue outfit wouldn't be able to go with this orange hair, but as you guys can see, it definitely goes. I'm gonna step back a little bit because I was like, don't I look like Wilma from like Scooby-Doo? Hold on y'all, look. Ooh, ooh. Wait, y'all falling. Don't I look like her? I just need the glasses on. I don't know if I look like Ice Spice or Wilma. Guys, so Allie Grace came through with our Ice Spice ginger hair color, and I love her. She looks so good. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about my hair color, and I'll have my hairstylist information down there as well. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Back in that